Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. You need the exact email and phone tied to the suspended Google Pay account and matching ID evidence. Once done, open the Google Pay app and locate the suspension notice under your profile or help. This provides the primary reason. Make sure to collect a clear photo of your ID, a recent bank statement showing your name, and any transaction ID. These items speed up verification because Google looks for identity and payment consistency. Next, focus on submitting verification precisely. Use the in-app Resolve Suspension Flow or Contact Support form and upload high-resolution scans, your government ID, proof of address, and screenshots of disputed transactions. Once uploaded, craft a short, factual message. State the suspension date, describe any recent account changes, and request specific reinstatement. Avoid extra commentary. Google triages faster with clear facts. After submission, note the reference number and expect an email. This lets you track progress without repeating steps. Finish by actively following up. Check email and app messages daily and reply within 24 hours to any verification requests. Once you receive instructions, complete them promptly. Delays often prolong suspension. If your appeal is denied, read the denial reason carefully, fix the specific issue, such as mismatched name or payment source, and resubmit with additional supporting documents. As a troubleshooting tip, contact your bank for a verification letter or transaction confirmation. This third-party proof can sway the review in your favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.